Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what kind of safe folder you have and why it matters. Encrypted containers behave differently than OS-protected folders. Once done, make sure you have admin rights, any recovery key, and a verified backup so you don't lose data during checks. Next, locate the exact path or file name, local disk, external drive, or cloud, and note where metadata lives. Then open your password manager or known password list and prepare 1 or 2 likely passwords to try first. Don't guess wildly. You now attempt to unlock the folder with the most likely passwords and explain why. Typos waste time. Using show password briefly reduces entry mistakes. Once a try fails, inspect the safe's logs, access timestamps, and permission flags for lockout rules or hints. These often reveal whether a different account or key is required. Then run the built-in verification or integrity check to ensure the container isn't corrupted. This protects you from rescuing broken data and helps determine whether recovery is feasible. You finish by trying the recovery key or secondary account if the password won't work. Follow the product's official recovery flow to avoid further damage. If integrity checks report corruption, restore from your backup or run the vendor's repair utility, and then verify files for completeness. If you're still locked out, check for lockout timers or disabled accounts and contact the administrator or vendor support. One troubleshooting tip: if you see repeated authentication failures, pause attempts to avoid permanent rate limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.